Are you having problems with your Snapchat best friend emojis not updating and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just actually close your Snapchat app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone. So just open up your settings app and then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. In here we're just going to scroll down and then click on general in here, as you can see. Then scroll down in here once again and just click on storage in here, and just wait for this page to completely load. And then we're just going to scroll down in here and click where it says Snapchat. So click on Snapchat, and in here you're just going to click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here, and just wait a couple of seconds in here for it to load. Just going to take us a couple of seconds and we will see this reinstall app button in here, so just click on it, and now just simply wait for your Snapchat app to completely update to its latest version. So by the way, I did this myself and it actually worked for me after this update. So basically you're just going to now, by doing this by the way, you're going to force your Snapchat app to update to its latest version. So just wait for it to update, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.